Guys, i-help ko. Naa someone with a bandage. Duha? Can you help me? Anhe, Kuya Mat? Hello. I'm back. Where's my stuff? Can someone give me stuff? Where is all my stuff? Huh? Where's all my stuff? It's gone? Kuya Mat. Oh, never mind. I already have my revolver. All the attention goes to me. I get anything I want. We just a mommy, nanny, please. Kinsa man mang botang. Where was the cheese? Hoy, ate! Ate, ako manang ko. Oh my gosh, thank you, Kuya Mat. Before mang-adto mo out night kay pag-eat og ganhan kung mang-adto mo og fireplace. So, pwede ko mang-build og map. All the attention can anything I want is just to meditate. Mang-build to. Unsa? Saan na ito gi-build? Time to loot. She's a runner. She still tracks though. Someone nakakuha na sa kid. Na ako near sa Dan. Hi. Ang sprint ko. Ako revolver. Oh. Get the guy. Oh no. Oh. Sorry. Get out. Matt, I said get out. Did you hear me? Pag-reload! Oh, no! Did you kill him? Are you dead? Almost. Oh. We got a kid! Open sesame. Can I have a chest? Kung nice ang chest, imo. Oh, good sack. I got a good sack. Oh, good sack. Imo gikuha, Kuya Mat. Naka-save na mi og kid. Yahoy! wanted more than what he got, but it was sucked away. Obsessed with immortality, wanted to live eternally, wanted to make himself a god, but he locked away. Guys, balik na diray. I'm not scared. I need ammo. I just need ammo. That's what I need. Only the ammo is the thing I need. Atik naka-revolver no. Naka-revolver ate. I-shoot sila. Huy. Wala ko ammo. Ammo is the most important. Kuya Mat, adto na lang down. Kamera gani lang down, Kuya Mat. Kamo ang mga coins, di ko need. Ate, patay naman na siya. Who wants to make a grave? Kuya Mat is the one. Kuya Mat, ikaw mang build ha? Ibutang ni ati kani broken microwave dire. Kuya Mat, it's so nice. Kuya Mat, ikaw mang build ha? Kay nice yung mo build. I got a first kid. I'm so glad. Kuya Mat, anhi. Aki. I found a bunny foot. I didn't get it. I found it. What should I get? A good axe. I got a good axe. Ate, na dog behind you. I'm going with you. I'll go with you. You know, together we're going. Gonna be cool. Asa ka, ate? Oh, hi. I'm behind you. I'm behind you. I don't think that's a house. I'm gonna get all these flowers. Asa ka? I'm gonna avenge ate. What? Can I have the imo lang? Ani ate. Oh. Ate, we have to go. Ate, let's go. I don't care about the loot. Care about us dying. I see a chest. Pwede na ako, ate. Yay! Murag the Jude house, Kuya Matt.
But
You're the nice builder.
one water.
Nun, ganhan kayo, kate.
Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're very
Bro,
welcome.
nasaan ko da kaning ato your skill.
Girl, I have billions of skills.
Bro,
Feel
kapoy
ka-
ba ko ading kayong gayon.
Dato ato eh.
Lot to as in.
Scrap na.
Ate, how many scrap ato?
77 scraps na naman.
Ang wood na to, mamay kayo pero nagkugay ng scrap.
That's okay.
Guys, need ko crack pot pa deta. Oh, deta ka do. Buhat og crafting bench 3 og crack pot. Need ko stew. I need stews.
Tuo ka, tuo ka usara ni Mat.
Huh?
Like, 7 manisud ani Mat.
What?
Yes! Ay, tabangin ko ba? Dugay kayong humani ron.
Dugay.
Barhan kayo, Mat.
Wow, dugay mga te. Dugay kayo ate no? Dugay.
Dugay ka o yun. Tapos dugay pa sa mga robot.
Finally, last food na ako i-need. So we will be eating cold food.
Yeah, big back.
I'm a big back.
Ano ang guys kay ginahan with the pits sa kuan?
Gani.
Big back siya.
Sa farm.
Big back
Sa
yan.
freezer.
Big back siya.
Big back, big back.
What shucks mga bed back
Oh.
My big back era, wow. Big back era naman.
Kaya ako yung balik.
Parang nalagpot!
Nalagpit.
Oh, times 4.
Yeah. For ang bata di ay. And ang
Bad baya ang furniture guy. Whatever you call.
Bro, ano itong dandanay?
Need kong
Kalimot ko
pagkaon.
ang
Ate,
dan.
wala pagkaon din no, ate. Wa.
Gusto mga houses wala pa ato na load.
I wonder how, I wonder why. Blue, blue sky.
Bro, I need a good app.
I need an ammo for my revolver.
Fill me a mandy feed.
So refreshing, my little soda pop. You're all I can take.
Oasis. Oh. Dili ka na yung kanta.
Gonna be golden. Oh.
Open chat. Upat na ka-chat, ako gi-abli. Karon.
Ako tulo.
Beer!
Oh, that's nice. I'm done hiding now. Ate, my credit card is exploding. Oh,
Homeless.
oh, spend. On labu, labu.
What?
Ikaw. Ate, nang make ano song mo?
Ano ako nag-meet?
Ikaw.
Ikaw ang lahat.
Ha? Ako ang lahat?
Sorry, pero di ko kami kung second band.
Ano man?
Third band.
Why?
Ano ko?
Someone
Nabatay ko kasi?
Padung ko namatay.
can't be too loud.
Oh,
Can't be too busy. We need 10 more woods. What's that?
Rain, kung mag-rain ka, ganun na kayo puta tuod.
ooh, you keep
Hey!
putting it.
Ang dahil
Oh, you keep pushing my buttons through.
You're the one.
I'm somebody.
Somebody alone.
Where are you?
I'm just a Yeah, it's so basic.
It's so easy.
So, give me your.
And guys, why am I the only one at this barn?
I'm coming, baby.
Oh, kita mo siya.
I'm coming home. Coming home. Tell the world I'm coming home.
But asa ka? Meow? No, oh. Ow.
The girl gets the gun. Girl gets the gun. Someone revive me. Okay. Ito ang tagal ang...
Morning lang ha.
Bro, gatak ko sa house.
Ate,
Why are you even moving?
ate, Kuya Mat,
Yung
don't
ganun
just
naman, eh.
steps to not get the owl to kill you. Don't move. Don't flashlight him.
Pwede na ka mo jump, pwede na sa drop ka mo, like, mo axe ka.
Bro, kwan. Kaba ka nga nanimove ko ato.
Yun.
Kaya kita man sa ko sa deer.
Tanong naman ang deer of owl.
Ang gani.
Tanong ang deer of owl. So kung nga ang owl dira, dili ang wato ang deer.
Abin ako ba nga pa doon nasa tang deer na ko kay wam ko ibalik.
Ala, nag-rain of thunder na.
Zeus, write me down.
Oh, nasad ka bandage? Okay, I'm going there.
Go.
Far
Bro,
away.
isa.
Kuya Mat, far away.
Dool ra.
Far away.
Dool ra gani.
Far away.
Bro, go na.
Girl.
Dool ra man.
Kain.
Kung mat-mat na ni, dako kayo na bed kay.
He's such a big back.
Because I'm a bit
Kapag ko na matay. Because of the
Come on.
lightning.
Heal me, oh Lord.
Should I get the biofuel processor? Mat,
Ha?
biofuel processor.
Biofuel, lapad namin yan!
This is where the owl attack me. Pag open ako, ano nga chest. Oh, you struck me down. Diamonds.
Really? Uy, ang mat, ina ni gang bata mat. Uy, ayun si gang.
Ginansya, mga ato. Sa ugani.
May one naman.
And the nasya sa freezer.
Pwede ba ito mamatay din na sa
Sus, pwede i-strike ni mo ang kuan?
bata?
Yes.
Mamatay yung bata, wala na tayo ang sama.
Bro, look at this. Yeah, give her kadakuha ni nga pumpkin good.
Normal size, balay.
Yung robot mo.
And I just ate it.
Mama, you're such a big bag.
You could have made pumpkin stew.
Sorry.
Yeah, but we don't have a crock pot. We don't have enough wood.
Ako naka-ato mo.
Hungry kayo po.
103.
137.
3. You won't get 3.
No. I didn't say that.
Ginagkaon sa akong mga pagkaon, ha?
Ang Dino Kid, ah.
I don't get big.
Lahay! Pas big back kang daddy. Is that really him?
Kita na sa chest. I hope. Good luck.
Ito rin yung biofuel.
Oh, kasi kinahanglan ng good sack.
Oh my gosh. Nata eh.
Relax.
Huy. Ate.
Ah, Gigi.
Funny kayo. Ate Anhe. Ate Anhe. Ate Anhe. Ate Anhe.
So don't try and face it.
Follow me, ate. Follow me.
Make transform a big back arrow.
Then, come. Tanawa. Nang pupo si Kuya Matmat.
Check.
Tanawa sa mo bed. Ang big back bed.
Light.
Wow, Kuya Mat.
We're at this place.
Hi. Asa man si Kuya Mat, oy?
Oh. What's this?
Ang Dino Kid ng hurot sa to pagkaan.
At home.
Ber, patasimber. Tanawa, Kuya Mat. Kuya Mat!
See.
Ano ni? Sa mo bed.
Sorry, come on.
Where?
Ato sa mo bed.
That's
Can I chop down this
Don't
tree?
try
I can't chop down this tree, right?
You only can get it with a strong axe, ate. But if there's
Be a strong man.
Never wanna leave.
Duh.
But if it's 3 people who with a good axe and they both
Dungan.
yes.
Bro, nalagi ko there. Balukot.
Ako na na!
Never know.
This is mine.
Go pa
You
din
don't,
her.
you're not allowed to get it.
Kaya ang mga church.
Oh no. Kuya Mat,
Please stop. Feel like I'm the one who...
ate, I mean Kuya Mat, I'm saving up for a crock pot, Kuya Mat.
Ati ng mat.
Snapshot.
Mat say.
So, itong kulangan kay kang...
Cockpot.
Yung pwede,
No!
pwede karon kay magang... Like,
No.
2 days karon na 2 days kay mag... Ato aray focus kay wood. Kay kamay na akong wood.
What naman ta wood?
That's why I'm
That's what I said.
No?
Because I'm a big guy.
Big back. Always.
Perfect.
Every day.
Guys, can we try to get the Kraken Kid?
Huh?
Kraken Kid.
No, mahulog ako kung kaon. Like, pas-pas din kayo.
It arrives tonight. You guys already know that.
I don't care. Because I'm not scared.
Who even cares?
Who's even scared?
Yeah.
Slayer, pati na na-close this. Mas gusto ko yun. Masaya ba kitang deal?
Ang awang hard.
Okay, lupad man dito ang owl.
Ang frog sad kaya ano siya? Ikaw ni.
Yeah, bitaw.
Tanawa, ikaw ni.
Kauno na kakalit.
Habit na sad gun ni strike.
Strip down ko.
Kuya Mat, stop!
No!
Oh, thank you. Yes. Can't be too busy. Kuya Mat, ayaw ko ha, anak ha. I'm building a stool.
Lightning rod? Of course I'm gonna buy this.
Mat. Cringe, oy.
That sound so
Guys, I have a stool. Someone build a shelf. Never mind, I'll put it in the freezer. Guys, what na ta? Kuya Mat, I mean ate.
Happy tonight.
Yes, and then what the wood?
1 minute lang.
Mat, kuhag wood.
Kami eat sa kay like I'm about to die.
I only eat ang stew, the precious stew.
Yeah, wala na. Bro, how did you go out of good sack?
Good sack and good axe.
Ay, good axe. Did I?
Seven years ako po nandun na do.
Pati ah.
Hindi karon ka mamatay ba?
No.
And lana to sa 20. Oh.
Big back era.
Need to make my face, make it cute and savage.
Wait, ako na tinig ka, oh.
On my phone. 21.
Dili to di mo na yun.
Number 12?
No, like. Kung wala ta yung ani. Ito na ang number sa hindi.
Guys, ano? Di ramon mo.
Okay. Sad to say, 1 bullet na lang ako i-hold.
Hey, Mat.
Wako amo.
1 bullet.
I have 12. 12 ano.
By the way, I'm fun.
Ate, ikaw ang bait.
Sir, lain mga crossbow.
Wala akong bait. Itong bait. Okay.
Ano man?
Na, ang kuhan. Ang bakal tester na crossbow.
Ay. Guys, i-help ko.
Bro, I am even helping. Look at my help. Apa sa likod?
Save ko yung matmat.
I killed it.
Now,
Guys, jump.
Killed it again.
Guys, jump.
wait. We're out. This is the good news for the good luck.
Here now. Swing, 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 swing.
Swing, 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 swing.
Bro,
Swang.
oh no, oh no.
Automatic. Oh, dala. Moving on, dali lang. Never mind.
Guys, help me build us too.
Bro, pushing one.
Wala.
Ang best.
Yung sa kapag-make of anything. Like, para maka...
But I already made us too.
Baka... crafting bench for. Like, wood na lang sila kung kailangan. And that's what I'm about to do.
Guys,
I understand the situation more or less. Much has happened. Either way, I suppose we were lucky not to receive a warm welcome on the way over here.
Yeah. Guess Nasha Town's already been enough.
Let's stop here. Since you two can enter, I'll have to request that you kindly pick me up.
Oh?
You'll know when the time comes.
Genshin
Still acting all
Impact.
mysterious. But you seem pretty confident.
Oh! Oh!
How do you know what?
Show me some decency.
I just lost.
You're the special assistant to this investigation.
guys, ayaw pagkuha sa stew kaya ko na save up.
So don't try this at home.
Anyone? Ayaw? Ikuha.
If there's anything else you'd like to look into,
Even hungry kayo mo, ikuha ang di stew.
sadly, no. But considering that network from the curatorium, we'll do our part too.
Matt? Ayaw ikuha ang stew. Okay? Ate, ayaw ikuha ang stew.
I know.
Now I'm gonna eat.
Other than rock.
Oh my gosh.
Show me some decency.
Guys, 27 out of 100.
What do you need on 7 out of 100?
Ato, what? I mean, sa...
Don't
35.
try.
Oh my gosh, imo man gibutang. Dami.
Tommy?
Okay, now we're short on food.
I made stews, but let's not get it.
Okay, wait. Go on to chop down wood.
I'm chopping down wood right now.
Okay, kasi ikaw wood, ako kay food, diba?
Wood,
That's
food.
fine.
Kaya nakuha, like, wala ka kay food karon.
And then I'm baking the stews.
Na, kay...
But gamay na lang ato ingredients. Someone get food, we don't have the ingredients.
Ay, di naman na kinang which ko ba kinang kay farm.
A rather peculiar ship. I calculated that you had already entered. So as I thought.
What else do I need? Oh. I'm gonna make all carrot. Temptation. Why do I know the place where the Kraken Kid is.
Bro, ano to? Wait. Oh, man, napupuntot dire.
Guys, di mo ko eat sa stew?
Don't try this.
Oh, ayaw lang. Ma-cook. Ma-eat.
Hindi tayo po.
Okay, sure. The stew.
Pwede ko take a
Wala ayaw pagkisig ko, abi.
Man,
Pwede ko take a one.
What do you eat?
Dili na ko
Oh,
you just click it.
okay.
Ang gamit. Kuya Matt, please get the ingredients or fruits
Yeah, like,
or vegetable. Kabalo ko asa ang Kraken Kid. It's in this way. Survive 30 days? What? What do you mean?
I survived 30 days na.
Never mind, Kuya Matt. Ayun na lang kuha. I just forgot na the farm.
yeah, but alam mo ko kaning rabbit.
The situation is critical, so let's not
The deer is hungry.
Tonight? Oh.
Tonight pa, Jud.
Oh.
Ang sa?
Ang deer hungry tonight.
Okay, let's find a house.
I'm killing rabbits with love.
I'm going already.
13 ka carrots daw eh.
Okay. Even
It's overflowing, bebete.
even it's 2 minutes.
It's overflowing.
So
The frog pot is broken. I think I broke the frog pot.
So don't try this at home.
I didn't. I'm not
Apple
overflowing.
guys, find og building na tall or big na di makakuha ang
No naman.
deer.
Just stay
The
here.
deer is hungry tonight.
So,
Makasuot siya sa to, campfire.
oh!
Yes, even now light. Or a flashlight siya, but I don't think that will work. So I'm in a building, and my hunger is full.
Tinan mo mo, ina mo.
Now
Ikaw, Kizzy.
Wait, kita ko building near sa to, campfire. Natolhood.
O kana ka ng... Kana, Matt? Kana?
Oh,
Okay. Let's go na. Ito to?
yes, what? Oh, garbage.
namo difference ako.
Wait lang.
Oh hi guys.
Mamatay ni.
Oh okay na.
Sila ang nakapahurot sa to food.
Oh big back kayo. Hi Kuya Matt.
Nakoy 6 kas. Nakoy 3 kas 2 dire para kita tulog. So,
What?
We're the horses. We're humans. The humans.
31 seconds at the end here. Did you get all the stew?
Yeah, I only got wait, let me see.
Don't drop it off.
Inventory. Tulo lang ang stew nakakuha ko.
Tulo?
Tulo.
Can you drop one inside? Kaya, oh, ayun lang. I-drop lang daan. Basin mahungry ko kay half
Oh,
hungry.
din ako.
Okay,
Okay lang?
eat.
Oh, ayan lang. Ayan lang.
Pag-eat, ate, uy.
Mag-eat lang.
Short kayong deer.
Like dili mo rin ang
Oh. You just make me scared, Kuya Matt.
Oh my. Forgot ko na ang mga gusto mong spawn.
I'm going at the center of the room.
Wait, can't the wolves get up here?
No?
Yes?
Can.
Sometimes.
I-bait shooting mo.
Ayaw sila i-bait.
Never wanna leave.
Bagay, ang dear, dili ka saka. But I wish, ako dili buhari.
Kuya Matt, you just made me scared. A little scared. Not really scared. Where's the deer?
Oh, bitaw niya ata ang dear.
Do you mean?
What was that? Something attacked.
Yes, the
Ang deer,
The wolves.
Ang deer, dili siya mo ka-appear. Kung wala
ang wolves ng taas dire anhi.
ang deer kay di siya mo anhi.
Guys, kakita ko mga wolves ng anhi.
ang
Ayaw lang jud go outside.
ang deer di man siya mo anhi dire kung
Okay, pwede na tabong go down.
dili.
Yeah, but ganon wolves. Spread.
What about? Wala naman.
Bear.
Oh.
Bear.
Tingnan mo bunny foot.
Naman to, body food.
Adara.
Guys,
Bro, naman yung walk filtering.
worry about the wood.
Alpha. Wolves. Cows.
Kasi if maka-reach the day for
I got oh no.
Tanawa ato campfire.
Bro,
Patay.
I'm getting wood.
Get wood. Get the wood.
What do you think I'm doing? Is poop coming out?
Those are called bunnies, you don't use it.
Oh,
Don't mind if I do.
something. Okay, that's okay.
I
But-
mean, ang busa
You're wasting many things. The scrap we all got.
ako, you don't mind.
Mat, pwede ayaw pag-himo sa pang maging mo ko pang log wall please.
Need tag wall. But mak ang
Wait,
sometimes
karoon no kay ang hungry sa ang deer.
no. No?
Oh, kita ko apples.
No? It's not.
It's not.
I don't think so. You're letting me scared ate.
I planted berries.
Guys, get some not get some sleep.
Itang gold.
Get some wood.
Oh, I'm finding food.
No. 20 out of 100 ato.
Don't try.
Campfire.
Oh, shoot. Oh, man.
A ruby chest?
Yes.
Okay na. Chukumito yawi ma. Nada.
Oh, man. Kunay. Oh, doha pa siya kabuok.
Pwede give.
Oh, sorry guys.
Guys, get some wood.
Wait, let me see. What? A deer hungry man ato. Hindi, ni-attack ko sa takalan.
I don't care.
I don't even have food. I'm even hungry.
I'm also hungry.
Oh, naman day ko ipunay sir.
Kuya Matt, pwede si Michael?
But can I get one too?
Yeah, sure. Isa lang, please.
Hindi ka meron na.
Isa.
Don't worry, na ako'y punay.
There ko? Oh, never
I
mind.
have a spear, I have a revolver.
Nakaka-amo ito eh.
Oh.
Wak ko amo,
Oh,
guys.
wait, ako nang ihit sa tumpuan.
Kunay. Wala na limited, Kuya Matt.
Hindi ba limited? Ay, limited.
Where did I jump?
Naghan, kuan.
Ang behind ato.
Okay,
I'm going to save ate.
Para dili gayo.
Mama, ang tabang!
Ah, pag sprint lang siya.
Guys, wasp here.
Oh, how did you die?
Ano? Do they have the moon thing? Or whatever you call it?
Oh,
Kuya Matt, ka bandage no?
sign of Flint.
Oh, wait, kasi, ayaw. Oh, brr.
Sorry.
Ay,
Not go. Be careful.
Oh. Na.
No. Balik na.
Balik.
at least 36 na.
Ketsang what ng balik?
Ah, wag. Not to. No.
Okay, so unahan siya at least naka 36 ka.
Dita. Karon kay wood na ato ikang. Kay 1 to 10 kay wood ato ikang specialize. Kay kumay itong wood ganyan.
I almost cried.
Kapit na mga
But to cook it of scrap. Ano to?
Why did I almost cry about?
Pulot ako to kay.
I imagine that
Siguro adong mga houses ba?
he intend to come back and
O bati.
Habit ko na hila.
let's have this
Ano
discussion.
po ron?
Bunny food first try.
Muha na.
Ha?
No, don't.
Nakakuha ko gusto.
I was about to say don't.
How? I will panic. Why would I not?
Hide and seek and grab it.
Please stop saying that's very annoying. I don't love it when you call me señorita.
Oh, nasa ko ikit nakit alain na bunny food.
Ako.
Ako.
Ako kang ate. Ate first.
Oh, butang ang dalis taas.
Yeah.
Dara diri ha sa kuan gabos sa table. Back to being friends.
When we just shared a bed, how can you look at me and pretend I'm someone who you never met?
Paintbrush.
Gang. Kaya Ray, that means baka hack ko imo. Mabilak sa ka?
Clear di mo kuan, imong account kay nakalogin sa kuan. Sa imong account.
Ako sad, kang daddy phone.
Ako sa.
Flint has a friend
Ako mara kang Kuya Carl man ako.
wild out to Nonley.
Okay, gato. Ano po ato din? Well, I don't really care.
Hey, earlier, he said that the friend that you
Yeah, because you're gonna quit.
Well, no, I'm not gonna quit Roblox.
Ako
Ako na siyang ikuan. Hindi na ako mag-play
Put aside.
until ang
Put aside.
developer. Oh, put aside until ang developer can change. Ang ownership sa game can change.
Okay.
Hindi na sila.
Nang protect sila og predate. How do you know? I can't say it.
That's
Or
why
pedophile.
ako kuan name ako
And pedophiles sila themselves.
Nang avoid ko og Roblox sometimes.
That's why ang name na ko ako gi-change.
Free slap.
Slap kay.
Doon
Yan
na
lagi pa ang kuan, di pa
So, apel mo guys, slow by mic.
dito sila ba may kaysa di kuan. Sa Roblox.
But wa pa gani na delete ang Roblox.
Bro,
Well, no, di mo siya ma-delete.
Ha.
Owners.
beer!
Ang owners naman ang mag-sue kay... Yes.
So lain ang CEO.
Yes.
Roblox.
Wala nang okay, put aside the Roblox.
Yay! But what if hi.
Dili mo change.
Quit! Bahala sila. Lagi, di kuan lang.
And then mang-quit ko. Cause why would you protect them? I don't want to play.
Protect sa ay, nag-protect ng kids.
Oh,
Predators.
Sila naka...
fish lab.
Sila ang sila ang one of the safest na kang game.
And then
Protect mo ganun sa
many times lang ko kakita og mga online daters and then wa sila na banned.
Yeah, mix it.
Puro ako ang-
Green na iban.
Ako, ko. I mean like, 30 minutes gone. Gone.
Na ako account na banned because of spamming. But ang online daters, dili ban. Wow. Ang sabi ni sila?
Spamming lang, mura na. Of course, kang lab na, but ang online daters, yun eh.
One time nakakita ko 2 online daters.
This way.
Bell trader.
I don't care.
Wait, you don't care?
Yes.
See you.
I see the den.
Ah.
It's right here. Plus armor. I hate Roblox. A little. What is this? Ang kataan. Ako lang mangkok kaya later ko mangkok ha. Ay, sad kayo ko kay hapit na nakawin.
Day 2 pa, nasunod kay level 4 na.
Nagadi someone day 1 5 na hapit na 6 max.
I'm gonna kill a wall.
I want to build a AFK house. I'm going to the house. Tree house. Ganhan na wood. Kaya mat.
Oh,
Kizaya? Ati Kizaya? Ati Kizaya? Ati Kiz Ati Kizaya?
Yes.
Ati Kizaya? Ati! Naku! 2 revolver ammo and revolver.
The same time today.
Ah! Did somebody already check this house? Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna kill somebody.
Tell me who I am, cause oh, because I like bye. Now someone, they want kita na og ruby chest.
Ruby-chan,
Chukuming chumyorima nanta.
Kasi I turn ako gihatag nimo like more para lang si kanino para makukun si ka because ganina hapit ka na makita
Bro, who planted this thing? On other side na dili. What you please? Okay, ka na lang.
I'm gonna magkuha ko ng crafting bench too.
Pag speedrun ha. Tramatay.
Oh, do you really have a good side?
Oh, naman mo.
Yes. Oh.
Halo, kapit ka habitan ng free shell. I mean, ang
Oh, did you
free.
live by the bed, ma?
Ha? No, wala.
Living in the
Wait lang, wait lang.
Okay, ato ilut ang dan.
Ano yan lang?
Karon, ako na namatay revolver.
Kita tanan?
Namatay revolver.
Kita tanan? Oh.
Nakay anil defense.
Nako spear.
Ha?
Ha?
Ha? Ano na ako spear?
Wala trade. Revolver din mo para sa spear.
Ayan lang.
Hindi. Bati mo yung aim defense. Okay.
Ate, what do you mean?
I mean, nindot yung aim but like, balag lang. And then, nindot naka-combat sa bed.
One time, Kuya Mat, ayaw na kuhang fish ha.
Ako ay
One time, Kuya Mat, kay ng fish ko and then
Bayan.
5 times in a row kay nakakuha kog fish.
Okay, asan? At si Tamat?
Oh, ako? Oh, kabalo ko?
Aha.
I think so. It was like here? Just wait. I forgot because...
Broker, they must go change things.
Hi!
Bye.
I just juked that guy.
I think I know it. It's Rusty. I don't know.
Ako'y fine.
Wait lang. Hindi mo kong map.
Kita ko CR ang upuan, far.
I know the map. I know the way map.
Oh.
Okay, wait.
I know it.
Follow me.
I know where.
Follow me. I just found the CR and I'm opening the door.
Hi, ate. Hi, Sesame.
Seriously.
I just found the CR.
Ako, sana ako na lang.
Kuya Matt.
Nanawin ako.
Kuya Matt, you're near the den.
You're done yet, bro.
Ha?
We're near the den.
I have 6, 12.
Oh, bandi.
6 ammos and 12.
Oh, I think it's gone.
Oh no, kaya ate, I'm hungry. Should we? Oh no.
Bro, kita na sa good axe.
Wait,
Good axe.
ate, wait lang ha kay, mangbalik ako kay, very hungry ko.
I did it.
Oh,
Yay!
no way. I just saw.
Oh my
Yes!
gosh, my
What?
gosh, my gosh.
Oh, kadagdag.
Count your calories. I never look good in stream.
Bata.
White blondie, perfect body. Ah, kung spirit ako i-give imo. Kung bate. Oh,
Wala kay food, bebe?
Bro!
no.
Wait, do ako good axe diri do.
Ate.
Kasi I need a good axe.
Ate, okay ra na kaon og kana wa gi-cook.
Oh, kita kong kuan kani. Kuan na lutin niyo ay nakuha ninyo na rate ninyo.
Yeah, we waited
Yes, ano wa ka dito, Kuya Matt?
And then saw it. Kita.
oh, no, I lost that.
Nansa ka, Kuya Matt? Okay. Guys, wa ko diha.
Bro, kasi nagulot. Oh.
Hi. I have a wolf. Wolf, ito na.
Well,
Ako ang rescue.
Ako man siya dati.
Yeah, but kami duha ni Karen.
wait. Ano ba?
6 na lang ang
Wa. I will not tell you guys ano wa ko diha. Na ako sa CR.
Dahil mo, kitang
Kung pinagihay ka, be?
Wa. Nagtanaw ako sa ako self sa mirror.
Why you do that? Are you eat?
Oh.
Don't kasi mapunta sa akin steak. Like, dude, why you eating steak? What are you doing?
Bukaon din sila mga food.
Stop.
Ang mga bata.
Ito.
Di ba na sa bukaon like last? Di ba na sa bukaon like itong last time?
One time, il hapit na hurot amo.
You were about to click it.
Si Kicker na?
Kanos aman morning. Nak.
Oh! I hear.
Asa? Oh, morning. Good morning, Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmate. I'm sorry I'm late. May I come in? Yes, you may. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, classmates. You're welcome.
How about Ala, babe. Kaya mo nga bibigay.
Guys, nakakita ko plane crash.
Yeah, kita lang ko na ako na
Wa man.
Ay, then, dahil ikaw lang yung nagkuha ang chance.
Ay, Matt.
Nakuha mo na po sa
Are you ready?
Yeah, I know. Kabalo man ko anak ko